Hey guys, excuse this messy house of mine. I just wanted to show you my current DIY. So I got this bench. I'll show you. Oh, and I got a baby. No, I'm just joking. I already had the baby. But I got this little bench and I thought it would look amazing in my room on the bottom at the foot of my bed. So I grabbed it. It's used, obviously. You can see it's not really, something happened with the color. Like, I've wiped it down with bleach wipes and disinfected it, but this just won't come clean. And maybe that was the style of it, like that's how it's supposed to be, but it's not really my thing. And my bedroom is white, black, and gold. So this little crack was irritating my nerves. And the fact that it wouldn't come clean. So I ran to the store to find something to cover it with. So I'm gonna cover it. I also painted these legs. The little feet of it were already gold, and as you can see, I'll show you. You can see where it was brown originally, but I painted the legs black. Then, because like I said, my bedroom's black, white, and gold. Then I went to Walmart and I got this huge throw for $19.99. It's really cheap, but it has, thanks Ashton, thanks, just thanks. It's white and it has gold little, what is it, like hairs in it, except it's not soft like hair. It's more like maybe cheap synthetic hair. I don't know. It's fake fur. So anyway, this whole thing was 20 bucks. So I'm gonna eventually, when the baby lets it go and lets me have it, put it on top of the ottoman. Is that what it's called? I don't know, like the little bench. And I'm going to staple it down with my handy dandy staple gun. All right, let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I have stapled it all around the bench. Stapled the fur rug all around the bench. You can see it, like you can't really see the staples because it's so furry, which is what makes it perfect, but like I see one right there. I just folded in the edges. I could actually use another staple. Oh, all over there, this whole side. So let me just really quickly, I'm filming with one hand because I have a baby in my other hand. So no, let's just really quickly, boom, staple there. There we go. You can see it's in there. And I'll flip it over and show. He likes it. Okay, thank you. Thanks, Ash. You're such a good assistant. He's cleaning it apparently or something. I don't know. But let's flip it over. And this is hard to do with one hand. Yeah, I spent $20 at Walmart for the furry little rug. This is a rug. I already had the staple gun. I keep black paint because I paint a lot of my furniture that I've been rescuing black or white. My china cabinet is next. But anyway, and I like it. And it's gonna look so good at the foot of my bed. So check it out. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. Really? Really? Are you serious? No, don't run away now. Yeah.